Who doesn't like meatloaf? It's a great dish for any time of the year, and we have an idea for you. Joining me now is Crystal Klug with Common Ground. Crystal, what do you have for us?
So I have tried many recipes of meatloaf and kind of combined a couple to come up with this. My family loves meatloaf. They cheer every time I say I'm going to make it. And it's just an easy, what I enjoy is it's an easy thing to whip up. Right now we're going in so many different directions and we're getting ready for the Cattlemen's Ball here in Columbus. And so I need things that are easy to make, and meatloaf is one of those. So right now in a large bowl, I have 2 pounds of ground beef. And to that, I'm gonna add some chopped onion. And it's good to get a small dice on your onion. And then I'm going to add eggs that have been lightly beaten. And the last few ingredients are oatmeal and some seasonings, garlic powder and onion powder, and some pepper and some salt. And then lastly, I'm going to pour in my milk. And the best way to stir together meatloaf is just with your hands. And so I'm going to carefully and gently stir this all together. Most of the time people think of meatloaf, you use a loaf pan, but I'm usually short on time, so I like to use my 8x11 pan, and I feel like it cuts down on that cooking time just a little bit. And so you want to put it in the oven at 350 degrees. If I'm using an 8x11 pan, I usually cook it for about 50 minutes. And then when it is finished, then I drain off the fat. And then I will, the sauce, I will pour that on top and bake it for about another 10 minutes. So the sauce is just ketchup, mustard, and a little bit of brown sugar. So that's about all it is. It's really easy to come together. And my family always requests that we eat meatloaf with a side of sweet potatoes and some green veggies. They usually like peas or green beans. So that's how we eat our meatloaf. And I hope that you can try this at home to celebrate May is Beef Month.
Crystal, that is definitely a very, very good family meal. Thank you very much for being here today.